What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kai Guy, and if you don't already know, I make car content for a living. Not for a living right now because I don't get paid, but I mean, if you will subscribe, turn on post notifications, make sure to like and comment. That will help me get to my 1,000 subscriber goal so I can continue to make great content while earning money. I have created a new website. If you can go check it out, link is in the description. You can donate, and I'm slowly building the website up so that it will update with my YouTube videos. But today I was scrolling through the internet and I saw an off-road minivan. I was like, does anybody want to bring 8 of their kids and go off-roading? This kind of caught me off guard because it's Toyota Sienna, which is a fairly big minivan. But in 2022, it will release its Woodland Special Edition. So this special edition will give you 6 inches of lift kit. So it's basically like a Hummer or a Jeep now, which it's kind of crazy to me. And it's also a 4-wheel drive machine, so you can make it into a Jeep or a Hummer, which is pretty awesome. But I mean, I don't think that you would go off-roading with 8 of your kids in the back. But I mean, if you do, buy it. So this also comes with a bunch of accessories, such as a power outlet in the back, pretty nice roof rails. It also has some amazing stitched leather and some other accessories as well. And you can check it out once it's closer to the release date, because again, this is a 2022 model. So I think they only come in 2 colors. One is a gray and one is a black for now. I'm sure they'll add more colors and update it more in the future, but I mean, black and white is not really what you want to see as a car release, because those colors are kind of boring, and you want something cool. So this is mainly used for camping. I get it. It's not really set up for a whole off-roading setup such as a Jeep or a Hummer would, but I mean, for extra 6 inches and the price of a Jeep, you can get all 8 of your kids camping safely and go over rocks and things like that with no problem, because this kit is 6 inches above what all the other minivans are pushing right now. So I mean, it is a significant lift. So now that we're getting into pricing, the base level Sienna, the Toyota Sienna, comes in at $34,460, and this base trim level is called the LE. Now from there it goes up. I think there's 5 different models, all the way up to the premium, which is the best of the best. Everything is included in that thing, and it's just below 50 grand at a price tag of $49,900. So I mean, again, for the price of the Jeep, you can have a Toyota Sienna minivan with a tiny bit of lift kit that will get your family of all 8 children to go camping. So with this in mind, I think the new Sienna model coming in 2022 based off of 2021 pricing will most likely be around the 45 to 50k mark. This being, it will include a lift kit and many other accessories, which I mean, roof racks are kind of standard, but if you add on all the other add-ons there are, so the base price will probably be around 50, and the extra add-ons will maybe tack you up to $60,000 for a minivan, which I mean is a lot of money if you think about it, but for the off-road capabilities that you're getting, it's not too bad. With this being said, I know Toyota is a very reliable car brand, at least for now, but I think their pricing for the new Sienna is a bit over the top, and it's not really the best in terms of what you're getting, because you're only getting a minivan with a tiny bit of lift kit. You're not getting a whole lot. So this doesn't come with off-road tires or anything like that. So you're pretty much riding a street setup but a lifted minivan. So you're gonna have to spend more money on upgrades later down the line if you really want to take this thing somewhat off-roading. I know it's not going to be capable of serious off-roading, but anywhere to get you to that tough camping spot will probably be hard. With this being said, the 4-wheel drive or all-wheel drive function is very nice because you're allowed to pretty much go wherever you want, and this can get you out of very tough situations sometimes that a front wheel drive or a rear wheel drive could not get you out of. So it's very nice that they're incorporating this all-wheel drive system. So I know this was kind of a very weird video to post, but I randomly fell across the 2022 Sienna Woodland Edition model, and I was very intrigued, and I thought maybe you guys would want to know what this Sienna is going to be capable of doing. Which, I mean, I don't think it's going to be very good at off-roading, but we'll see how it turns out. With that being said, this is the end of the video, guys. If you made it all the way to the end, which not many of you do, make sure to subscribe and comment what your favorite minivan is. If you got it this far into the video, I know most of you don't, but if you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, make sure to comment what your favorite minivan is, and make sure to like this video and share it so it can get out to more people so they can know about this crazy new minivan.